Clearly, the size difference between these two dogs is acting as good contraception, but not every dog duo has this obstacle. So let's talk about a crucial question for every dog owner. Should you neuter your dog? First up, the benefits. Neutering can increase lifespan. Studies show that spayed or neutered pets live longer. For females, spaying before the first heat reduces the risk of breast cancer to almost zero, and in females, it also eliminates the risk of pyometra, a serious uterine infection. Castrating male dogs also prevents testicular cancer and can reduce the risk of prostate issues. It can also have some behavioural advantages: less roaming, less marking, and less aggression. Males in particular can become more manageable and less likely to get into fights, and they also tend to be less distracted, making training easier. However, recent research has suggested that the benefits might not be as clear-cut. Studies have shown that neutering can increase the risk of certain joint disorders and some types of cancers, particularly in large breeds. A study from UC Davis found that neutering before 1 year of age can significantly increase the risk of hip dysplasia and cranial cruciate ligament tears in some large breeds. There may also be an increased risk of certain cancers after neutering. A study done on golden retrievers also found that the prevalence of hemangiosarcoma, lymphoma, and mast cell tumours were higher in some neutered dogs. Although the significance differs depending on the age that the dog was neutered and whether they're male or female, you can see those results here. Neutered dogs appear more likely to develop osteosarcoma, which is a type of bone cancer, with a study showing a twofold increased risk compared to non-neutered dogs. Not to mention, neutered dogs will also be more prone to weight gain. So, what's the takeaway? While neutering has clear benefits, especially for controlling pet overpopulation and reducing certain health risks, it's not without its potential downsides. Now, as a vet, my opinion is that the benefits of neutering usually outweigh the risks, especially if done at the right age and after discussing with a vet. But ultimately, there's no right decision here. Every owner is in a different situation.